Hello, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off a gift card. Watch until the end to learn more. You can use PayPal to transfer the funds from your gift card to your bank account. Using PayPal. Launch the PayPal app on your phone and log in. Go to the Wallet section and find the option to link a card or bank. Enter your gift card number, expiry date, and security code, then click Link Card. After linking your card, transfer the gift card's funds to your bank account by clicking Withdraw and selecting Transfer to Bank Account. Enter the amount and hit Submit. Using exchange kiosks. Locate a gift exchange kiosk and enter the information on your gift card. You'll receive an offer, typically 60 to 85% of the gift card's value. If you accept the offer, you'll receive a voucher that you can redeem for cash. And that's how you can get money off a gift card using PayPal or exchange kiosks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.